It's happening, I tell you exactly what is happening. It's about that time of the week. As previous videos have gone in this lockdown, once a week I bring a bunch of vintage stuff out, some incredible stuff. And I tell you, each week it's getting better and better and better. This is stuff that hasn't seen the general or public market for 10, 15 years or more. So it's out of sight, it's out of mind. People are getting very surprised. Many of you are saying you're very surprised about what's coming through as well. So enough for me. Let's check this out. I've got another table full. Excuse my mess, because I just got boxes everywhere when I do this stuff. But here we go. I'm going to start literally at the front with some die cast. Pan you round, pan you back, you know. I have no structure when it comes to this whatsoever. I just get so excited and I just show you some things. So I try and do a little something for every budget. So there's always loose Corgi, Dinky, spot on, Matchbox on the store. You know, played with. But not too bad. It's a nice little Nash, you know, the light is on the roof, etc. It's not a bad little model. Some of those. Through to ex-shop stock quality, really. Absolutely mint. That's absolutely mint with the inner packaging. That's lovely. Coupe Maserati. Window box as well. I think these slightly later 60 boxes are so much nicer than the, you know, the general like that style of box. Simply because of the artwork you have on them as well. Little Dublo. These always sell well. That's absolutely pristine in the box. The Pontiac, but don't forget, that's the red spot hubs on there. That is gorgeous. It's very near mint as well. Stunning car. Look at that. Must be like Arizona or something on the back, innit? Incredible. You got the RCMP, oops, sorry, eBay Kachingen RCMP car. That's absolutely lovely as well in the box. Through to Whiz Wheels. Again, look how crisp that is. Literally, you can just feel it. Original window as well. 55 pence was the original price on that. Awesome. Again, artwork. Keep it going. Little Mersey Tunnel Land Rover. That's cute. Played with. Spider-Man bike. This, which is from the Modern Transport Museum. The train, check that out. Through to, start this side, right? I got this Honda bike. Now that is absolutely fully working. It's got the wheels here which actually drive it. You know, a bit of steering on there. And then these little lights flicker as well on there. That's cute. Behind, I've just brought out some Oxford die cast, you know, not expensive stuff. Literally 10, 15 quid each. They sell all day long on that price, you know, so you can't really go wrong for that. Then we've got some rare stuff. Look at this Mickey Mouse. I love it. Absolutely fully working. Light on it as well. His arms wiggle around when he moves. Just check that. Walt Disney Productions. That's stunning. I've seen these in the past sell anywhere between like 250 to 450. So it's going to be some sort of a area like that. It's got all the inner packaging. Stunning. Look at this Jeep. I'm getting excited over these. Just look at this. Box all there. Inner packaging there. It's absolutely fully working. I can just show you this quickly, this feature, without putting batteries in it, because it moves around, then it stops, and then it spins over for the gun, and then spins itself back, which is cool. Notice the little rabbit over here. I said I've tested all these. Everything is working. I'm doing a couple of batteries for you now, so I left some in this rabbit. Look at this. And the way you do it as well, that's just because of the packaging. It's easier to leave him in. Try and do it one-handed. Now, can I do it one-handed? No, I can't. But anyway, that stays up basically, and then it shows him playing the drums. No, I need two hands to do it, but you get the picture of it. And then he's down there doing his drums. Oh. That's why you gotta be careful with these things. That's alright. That's why I caught him. He's okay. He's alright. He's fully working. He's alright. We're all good. Amazing. Couldn't make it up. Got some Clockwork fish here as well. Wells Britain toy. Look at these. Great Britain. Again, fully working things. That's cool. Little Trion crocodile. Amazing. Through to then, battery operated gear robot. Fully working. Walks along. All the cogs spin around. 3 different lights. There's different settings as well. You've got a slow setting. When he starts walking, we can speed him up to the quick. And he works really, really well. This big old thing, that's about like 15.5 inches off the top of my head. Right, this one works. It doesn't walk. The walk feature one works. Probably like a cargo slip. I'm not taking it apart. But he has the, you know, gun shooting out of his chest. Spins around on a full 360 also, which is cool. Then you've got the gear robot again here, which is nice. Works, fully works. Lights work, the different features work as well. But it's got a damaged screen on it, which is a bit of a shame. But it's there. Look at this, Hacky Magic, Western Germany. Condition of that. Absolutely stunning. When you wind it up, their heads like face each other and move a little bit. Stunning. I love that. Original box. Look at the artwork on that. Incredible. Now, some of you noticed this little chap here. We had this Mickey and Minnie Mouse in a set, God, was it about 3-4 weeks ago now, which sold. I went off to America. But then we've got one little loose example, which now that condition there, that's still anywhere between 150 to 200 that will sell for easily. You just don't see them. Find another one, you don't get them. Stunning. Old Chud Valley truck. Now, like lithograph on this. Look at the artwork on this. Chud Valley Works Harborne. Look at that. Missing the back door, but it's easy enough to do a door. I like to keep things original, that's why they go like they do. But it's just got a great vibe about it anyway, hasn't it? Just look at that. Stunning. Then we got the Express Airlines aeroplane. Obviously wings clip off, Lewis Marks as well. Wings clip off thing with the box, got in the packaging for absolutely everything. That's stunning. I think that is about, you know, as good as you will find really. Moves along, propeller, spin, etc. Nice. A little Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin even. Little Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin, let me just get my hand ready. I said one hand on this stuff. Not the best to do. So simple mechanism as well, look. That you just run your hand down it. But that's stunning. Pre-war again. You know, that's rare. Germany. It's an early thing. How many of them do you see? Not many. I'm hoping you're enjoying a bit more interaction with this stuff as well. If you see them, it's nice to see stuff working. Look at this. Cowboy. Wow. I'm going to show the artwork as well. Look like the Wells Fargo on it. It's absolutely stunning. Of course, a Welmsbroom toy. Now this would be the cap thing. So it'll be in room under here for you to put the cap. So when the mechanism works, because it comes with this little gun right here, as you can see here, and then literally just like fire the hose there. But of course you can imagine that pop, 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 which is pretty sweet. And then the final item I'm going to show you in this is this friction powered fire engine, which again is absolutely fully working. Look at that. Right, and move it over here because I need to do this properly. Just check this, right? Give it a push here. How awesome is that? Love it. So there we go. That's a little bit of mix of everything. So I've just had lunch now, so I'm going to get into a busy day of taking pictures of all of this, getting it on eBay. It is all for sale. I hope you enjoyed the bit of comedy with the rabbit trying to escape. I'm going to keep that in there. I could have filmed it again, but no, it's comedy. It is what it is. It's natural, which I love. But yeah, absolutely incredible items. Very small snippet of what's to come over following weeks, months. These videos are going to keep happening every single week, and I reckon we can keep doing this until Christmas, if not further. So I'm excited about it. So look, link in the description below, or just Google Jordan's Vintage World. It will take you in, you know, you can look at them, closer pictures, see descriptions of them. If you want to buy something, worldwide shipping is available. I'm posting out all over the world every single day, also combined postage. I think for what they are, prices are very fair. So until next time, peace and love as always. Boss is out. Boosh.